USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like and share right there. And below the video you have some links. The first link says swing like a pro. So click on the first link, come to this page, and here go and watch these videos, these setups which we have recorded for you. So these are the trades we have taken in the recent past. Go and check them out, how this works, and then you can join this program and get these setups yourself before they happen. Second link says book consultation. You can talk to me and you can book consultation right here. The third link is absolutely free. Go and join my free Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. So in USDJPY, we had been in the uptrend for many, I guess, months, years since here we had been I think it's 1 year we have been in the uptrend. And coming back to Delhi, we are still above the EMI, so we are going up. Maybe we will go for this high, but let's see. Coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour again we are making very small candles, you see, so not many big candles, very small candles, right? I am not interested in USDJPY. So this was your breakout above the AMI, then consolidation. So this is your consolidation, okay? If this high is broken, we go up. If this low is broken, we go down. Keep an eye on the high and low, okay? This is consolidation. High breaks, we go up. Low breaks, we go down. That's all. And for now, you can avoid or keep an eye on the high and low. So if you want precise entry, exit, and TP, then join the first link below. Come to this page and join the program. And I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.